Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your channel as either made for kids or not made for kids. So depending on the preference setting, this will be a channel-wide change. So it'll just basically set all of your content by default going forward as being marked as for kids or not for kids. And it should be a pretty straightforward process on how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon on the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and go down and select YouTube Studio. On the left side, you want to select the setting gear button, and then you want to select where it says channel. On the right side, select the advanced settings button, and it's going to say, do you want to say your channel is made for kids? So regardless of your location, you're legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, and you are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. So either you could say your channel is made for kids, you mostly upload content that's made for kids, or you select no, so that this channel is not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. You also have a third option to review the setting for each individual video on a case-by-case basis. You would select save to save the change, and that is all you'd have to do. Please note that YouTube does have the authority and the ability that they will go in and automatically mark certain content as made for kids depending on the kind of videos you're making. So just keep that in mind. Even if you select not made for kids, YouTube still might determine at their own discretion that it is made for kids and it will mark the content as such. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.